His Excellency declared or authorized that the ministry releases 3 billion. That money has been released and it has gone to all the facilities, both the faith-based and the private and the public hospitals as well. Again, this week, additional 4.5 billion is going to be released so that it goes to alleviate the challenges that the counties are facing. And in total, we will have released, by close of this month, we will have released 9 billion Kenya shillings. We have directed the county commissioners of the various counties, we have directed the CECs to ensure that no facility is charging or asking patients to pay for their medical care upfront. And more specifically, where that patient is a registered and paid up member of the Social Health Authority.